Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really manually change the date and time, and the time zone also, because we are using the automatic options. So first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers, and now let's tap on date, and as you can see we can freely choose the date from this calendar, just mark it and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from this clock and confirm it with tapping on OK. It will be immediately applied to the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones, so simply find yours and tap on it, like so. And as you can see it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also decide whether you want to use 24-hour format, which is currently applied, or 12-hour format, so simply turn off this option by tapping on the switcher. And basically this is the whole manual customization of the date and time. You can go back to the previous settings just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.